Welcome back to my channel, friends. This is Sonia here from Growing Craft, and I'm super excited to share this beautiful Barbie doll chocolate bouquet tutorial with you all. So first of all, a big thanks to Fresh Knots guys that they allowed me to come to their workshop and see that how it is made and experience that. And trust me, now I am literally in awe with the kind of designs they make, the kind of effort they put with each of their chocolate bouquets and fresh flower bouquets. Now to start with this video, here in this one we are going to see that how a Barbie doll chocolate bouquet is made. Trust me, earlier I used to think, oh, this is so easy, but once I started seeing their process, it takes around 2 to 3 hours to make one chocolate bouquet. Now in the starting, you need to crumble the newspapers in a stripes way, and you need to stick it around the doll with the sellotape. You can use the adhesive whatever you want, but they said to me that this is one of the very easy and tried and tested way. So they are going to crumble the newspaper and wrap it around the doll, and there is a whole lot bunch of newspaper which is required for this, and this one process only took around 25 to 30 minutes in the whole chocolate bouquet time. That was around approximately 2 to 3 hours. So you need to keep on wrapping the newspaper, and you need to make sure that the frills are coming out really well. So this is going to be your main base where you are going to stick your chocolates, and you need to trim the extra papers down while working it. So once you are done with this, you also need to make sure that your doll is standing properly so that your end products does not topple and it stays in one position completely.
Passé à 2 doigts de nos lèvres, 2 doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à 2 doigts de nos lèvres, 2 doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. À 2 doigts de nos lèvres, 2 doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à 2 doigts de nos lèvres, 2 doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter.
Once the trimming work is done, this is how you need to stick a plain newspaper at the bottom so that your base is ready, and you need to stick it with the glue gun. And now from here onwards we are going to use glue gun. Once you're done with the sticking work, remove the extra paper. You can trim it down with your scissors very easily. And once you are done with this process, then you need to start sticking your chocolates. So here they have taken the mini Dairy Milk chocolates, and in one bouquet they put at least 100 to 120 Dairy Milk chocolates. This is for just one doll. So just imagine the number of chocolates they use in each Barbie doll every day. So you need to start from one corner, and this process is the longest process. This takes so much of time and effort and patience, because you cannot stick it with any other thing except glue gun, because that dries up fast. But still, when you are making this piece of art, you realize that, oh, even the glue gun is taking so much of time in drying out, because you have to stick 120 chocolate pieces. So yeah, it took so much of time, but trust me, seeing this beautiful piece of art taking the shape was one of the beautiful things which I have seen recently. Now very patiently and very nicely you need to make sure that you stick your chocolates really well on each and every layers, and you also need to make sure that it has sticked really well, because that is something which is going to hold your base properly. That is something which is going to make sure that nothing falls off.
À deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer.
In this one, you need to make sure that when you are making your chocolate bouquet, the first layer has to be from the bottom, and then accordingly you decide with the upper layers. So you cannot just start sticking the chocolates here and then randomly. It has to be in a layer so that it looks like a one pretty layer of frill in the bottom. So once you are done with your layers on the bottom part, then you start with the second layer on the top and the third layer on the top.
à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Que j'ai presque pu le goûter. 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 Impossible à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Impossible à effacer. Que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Impossible à effacer. Impossible à effacer. Que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Impossible à effacer. Que j'ai presque pu le goûter.
Once you are done with all your chocolate layering, so next is to cover it up. So here they have used a paper twine, and it's a beautiful pink color paper twine which they are just twining around the waist of the doll. And once they are done with that, it's just they are adding a tassel to it. You can use any of the embellishments what you want, you can use the hangings what you want, and you can decorate the way you want it. Now for all the drying process, they are going to use glue gun here, and with this doll is ready. So I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Of course, I'm sharing few more pictures at the end, and I really hope that you all will like it. If you want me to shoot some more videos like this, then please do mention that in the comment section below. I will try to share as many videos as I can, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye.